When it comes to decorating your home for Christmas, it's not just about making the space look festive. It's about creating an atmosphere that brings joy, warmth, and a sense of togetherness. Whether you're hosting guests or simply enjoying the holidays with your family, Christmas decorations have a way of transforming a home into a cozy, magical space that feels full of the holiday spirit. Start by thinking about the entrance to your home. This is where the holiday excitement begins, and you want to make a welcoming impression. You can hang a beautiful wreath on the front door, something traditional with pine cones and berries, or something more modern with silver accents or ribbons. Adding string lights around the doorframe can make it even more inviting, especially at night. Some people also like to place a few potted plants on either side of the door, decorated with bows or small ornaments, to enhance that festive feel right as you walk in. Moving inside, your main focal point will likely be the Christmas tree. It's the heart of most Christmas decor. When choosing your tree, whether real or artificial, consider the space where it will stand and how it fits with the room's overall theme. Some people like a tall, full tree with lots of branches for a classic look, while others go for something more minimalist or even an unconventional color like white or silver. Whatever you choose, decorating your tree can be a fun, creative process. Pick a theme that resonates with your style, whether it's traditional red and green, modern black and white, or a more rustic look with burlap and wooden ornaments. Don't forget the lights, which can range from simple white strands to more colorful and playful ones. Garlands are another element that adds a festive touch to various spaces in your home. You can drape garlands along the staircase banister, across the mantel, or even around doorways. They can be simple green garlands, or you can decorate them with lights, ornaments, and bows. The key is to blend them seamlessly with the rest of your decor, creating continuity throughout the house. Some people love to mix in touches of gold or silver to give it a little sparkle, which reflects beautifully when the lights are on in the evening. Don't forget about the mantel if you have one. Mantels are perfect for showcasing Christmas stockings, candles, and smaller decorative items like nutcrackers or snow globes. Adding a few well-placed candles can bring a warm glow to the space, and you can accentuate the look with fairy lights or pine branches. Stockings hanging on the mantel are a classic touch, but you can personalize them by adding initials or choosing unique designs that complement the rest of your decor. The dining table is another space where you can get creative with decorations. If you're hosting Christmas dinner, you want your table to look festive and elegant, but also functional. A centerpiece is always a good idea, and it doesn't have to be elaborate. Something as simple as a vase of fresh winter flowers, candles, or a bowl of ornaments can make a big impact. You can also use Christmas-themed table runners, napkins, and placemats to enhance the look. Adding small details like decorative napkin rings or a sprig of holly on each plate can make your guests feel like they're part of something special. Christmas isn't just about visual decoration, it's also about the atmosphere. The smell of cinnamon, pine, and fresh cookies baking in the oven can make your home feel even more festive. You can use scented candles, potpourri, or even simmer pots with orange slices, cinnamon sticks, and cloves to fill the air with the essence of Christmas. Music is another important element. Soft holiday tunes playing in the background can create a calm, peaceful environment where everyone feels relaxed and joyful. Lighting plays a huge role in creating that holiday magic. While your Christmas tree lights are essential, don't stop there. Add twinkling lights around windows, mirrors, or shelves. You can use battery-operated candles to add a soft, flickering light to areas where real candles might not be practical. Don't forget the outdoor spaces either. If you have a porch, balcony, or yard, you can string lights around trees, shrubs, or even along the roofline to give the outside of your home that same festive feel. Now, when it comes to the color scheme, there's really no right or wrong way to go about it. The traditional red, green, and gold always work and bring a sense of nostalgia. But if you want something different, you can try using blues and silvers for a wintry, icy look. Or you could go for something more modern like black, white, and metallics for a chic, contemporary feel. Whatever color palette you choose, just make sure it flows throughout the different rooms so your home feels cohesive. The benefits of decorating your home for Christmas go beyond just making things look pretty. It's an opportunity to bring your family together, whether you're decorating the tree, hanging ornaments, or setting up the nativity scene. It creates a sense of tradition, especially for kids who look forward to it year after year. It also gives you the chance to express your creativity and personality through your decor choices. And let's not forget, a beautifully decorated home can be a source of pride when you're hosting holiday gatherings. Decorating for Christmas also has a way of lifting spirits. There's something about the glow of Christmas lights and the sparkle of tinsel that can make even the darkest winter days feel brighter. It's a reminder that the holiday season is about joy, peace, and celebration, and your home becomes the canvas for that feeling. For many, it's also a time to slow down, enjoy the little things, and appreciate the comfort and beauty of home. As you continue to decorate your home for Christmas, remember that every little detail can contribute to the overall ambience. Sometimes it's the small, thoughtful touches that make the biggest impact. For instance, consider how you can use textures to create warmth. Adding plush blankets and festive throw pillows to your living room or bedroom can instantly make those spaces feel cozier. Opt for materials like faux fur, velvet, or knits, which not only add to the festive look, but also invite you to snuggle up and enjoy the season. If you have any open shelving, bookshelves, or display cabinets, don't forget to sprinkle a little Christmas magic there too. You can add a few decorative accents like miniature trees, holiday figurines, or even framed holiday-themed artwork. These little pockets of decoration spread the festive feel throughout the entire home, so every room carries a bit of that Christmas spirit. Windows are another great area to focus on. Hanging wreaths or garlands on window frames can make your home look beautifully festive both inside and out. If you prefer a more subtle approach, you can decorate your windowsills with small decorations like candles, pine cones, or even faux snow in glass containers. For an extra whimsical touch, you can cut out paper snowflakes and tape them to the windows. This not only adds a fun, wintry vibe, but can also be a great craft activity if you have kids. Speaking of kids, don't hesitate to involve them in the decorating process. It's a wonderful way to make memories as a family. Let them choose a few ornaments for the tree, hang stockings, or even create some DIY decorations. Handmade items, whether they're crafted by you or your children, bring a personal touch to your holiday decor that can't be matched by store-bought pieces. Plus, they can become cherished keepsakes that you bring out year after year. One idea that's grown in popularity in recent years is creating specific themed areas for different parts of your home. For example, your living room might be decorated in classic, traditional Christmas style, while the dining room could have a more elegant, formal look with golds and silvers. Bedrooms, especially children's rooms, can have fun, playful decorations like bright lights, cartoonish ornaments, or even holiday-themed bedding. This kind of compartmentalized approach can make decorating feel less overwhelming and more focused, giving each area of your home its own unique holiday vibe. Let's not forget about scent as part of your decor. Beyond just candles, you can incorporate fresh greenery like pine, cedar, or eucalyptus branches into your decor. These natural elements not only look beautiful, but also give off that fresh, wintry smell that fills your home with the aroma of the season. You can use these branches in centerpieces, garlands, or even as accents on your dining table. The combination of their natural look and fragrance enhances that cozy Christmas feeling in a way that artificial decorations can't quite replicate. Another tip is to remember balance. It can be tempting to fill every corner with decorations, but sometimes less is more. A few well-placed items can be just as impactful as an entire room filled with holiday decor. It's all about finding the right balance so that your home feels festive but not cluttered. Think of it as curating your space to highlight the holiday season without overwhelming the eye. Decorating your home for Christmas is also a chance to show off your personality. Maybe you love vintage pieces, so you fill your tree with ornaments passed down through generations, or perhaps you're into modern design and opt for sleek, minimalist decor. Whatever your style, Christmas is the time to embrace it fully and let your home reflect that.